Hello, everybody, and welcome to English Grammar with Amer sir for the 1 minute English challenge. So, what we are going to study today is the difference between affect and effect. And so, what you will have is you will have 10 sentences as fill in the blanks, and you will have to fill in the blanks correctly using either affect or effect. Yes, there will be a countdown timer, and these will be very short videos indeed. And so let's get started. Here are your questions, and I'm going to start your countdown now. Okay, so your time is up, and here are the answers. Kindly check your answers and be honest about your score. Leave your score in the comment. Thank you so much. Leave your feedback as well. We will meet in another such challenge. Bye bye.